Have you ever felt trapped in an endless loop of thoughts? What if I told you there's a proven way to break free from overthinking and reclaim your peace of mind? Welcome to this presentation on cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, for overthinking. By the end, you'll have practical tools to quiet that mental noise. Overthinking isn't just about having too many thoughts, it's when those thoughts spiral out of control, leaving us stuck in worry or fear. This habit can drain our energy and make even simple decisions feel overwhelming. But here's the good news: awareness is power. Once we identify these patterns, we're already one step closer to breaking free. So, what exactly is CBT? Think of it as a toolkit for rewiring your brain. Unlike traditional talk therapies, CBT focuses on actionable strategies to challenge distorted thinking. For example, instead of dwelling on "what if I fail," you learn to ask, "what steps can I take to succeed?" It's all about shifting perspective and taking back control. CBT tackles overthinking by targeting its root causes. First, it helps you pinpoint what sets off those spiraling thoughts. Then, through mindfulness practices like deep breathing or grounding exercises, you learn to anchor yourself in the present moment. Finally, CBT equips you with problem-solving strategies so you can tackle actual issues head-on, instead of getting lost in hypotheticals. Let's dive into some hands-on techniques. One powerful tool is keeping a thought record, simply jotting down your thoughts and questioning whether they're true. Another method is behavioral experiments, where you test out your fears in small, safe ways. And don't underestimate gratitude journaling. It sounds simple, but focusing on the positives can dramatically shift your mindset over time. The benefits of using CBT go far beyond stopping overthinking. With consistent practice, you'll notice reduced anxiety, sharper decision-making, and greater emotional balance. Best of all, these skills build resilience, helping you face life's challenges with confidence, not dread. Ready to get started? While working with a licensed therapist offers personalized support, there are also plenty of books, apps, and online courses available. The key is consistency. Even 5 minutes a day can create lasting change. Remember, progress takes patience, but every step forward counts. As we wrap up, remember this: overthinking may feel overwhelming, but it doesn't define who you are. Every small effort to reframe your thoughts brings you closer to a more peaceful life. So why wait? Start applying these principles today, and watch as your world transforms, one thought at a time. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please subscribe to help the channel.